Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to install Snowpark Python library. I have opened the Anaconda prompt and here I will first create the virtual environment. Python -m v env env. Now the virtual environment is created. So it created the directory env. Now we have to activate it. So the env is activated now. Next step is to install the Snowflake Snowpark Python. Copy it, paste, pip install Snowflake Snowpark Python. Now it is being installed. It is installed. Now I will show you how you can use this library in the Python program. Trust the author. Create a new file. Test.py, and here I will from snowflake.snowpark.session import capital session. So this package is imported. In the next session, I will show you how you can connect to the Snowflake. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.